Hello, good morning. My name is Eric Roberto Flores Garcia. I'm 27 years old. I'm an electronic and communications engineer, graduated from University of Guanajuato here in Mexico. And over the past 3 years, I have built a diverse professional background that spans in IT, engineering, contract administration, and data management, coordination, and education. Most recently, I have been working as a contract administrator and operations analysis for Azuria Water Solutions, a US-based company where I handle end-to-end job setup process, ERP validation, and cross-functional coordination. Prior to this, I have worked as a project engineer, a field engineer, an English-Spanish interpreter, and most likely a university level teacher, which speaks to about my ability to adapt and perform across very different professional environments. I'm also continuously investing on my own development. For example, I'm currently taking courses in the web development process of Power BI, AI, etc. About my key skills, well, I can say my skills span both technical and interpersonal areas. On the technical side, I'm proficiency on Python, Java, C++, experience in front end, and more focus on back end development using frameworks like Node.js, databases, SQL, Porters, SQL, and I have a strong management skills, for example, SQL, Excel, Power BI, Looker, and Tableau to produce reports and drive decisions. In terms of operations, I'm experienced with these ERP systems, JDE and Odoo, as well as document management and platforms like SharePoint and Innate. And in the interpersonal side, I'm fully bilingual in English and Spanish at C1, C2 level, which I have applied professionally as an interpreter across medical, legal, construction, and IT settings. I have demonstrated leadership and also communication skills through my roles as a project engineer, as instructor, or as a student board council member. I will describe my results as a driven, detail-oriented, and highly adaptable. Why should you consider me as a candidate for obtain a visa and start working in this new United States? I believe I represent exactly the type of profile that adds value to USA-based teams that I have already some interactions and experience working with remotely for an American company like Azurias, which it means I understand the USA workplace standards, communication, and expectations on the workflow. And my background is very coherent. I combine technical engineering knowledge with strong data and projection coordinator skills that I can communicate effectively in English. At the professional level, I have proven that I can perform across industries roles, and I'm considering seeking to grow even more, even outside my country. I am very commitment, responsible, and genuinely motivated to enroll in any role that I have and have a highly performance environment, even in the United States. And I seek like this opportunity a step forward in a long-term commitment with several organizations and most likely for myself.